Welcome back to the Weather Center. We have two big cold fronts sweeping across South Africa, and here they are on the latest satellite picture. The first one now cutting across the eastern provinces, and the other one still maintaining cloudy and wet weather over the southwestern areas. Now this leaves us with a chance of snowfalls tonight over the high-lying areas of the Western and Northern Cape, extending eastwards overnight into the northern parts of the Eastern Cape. Rain is forecast for the south and the east coast. It's going to stay dry for the rest of the country, but pretty chilly over the central and western interior. Then on Friday, cloudy and wet weather stays with us across the southern areas. Snowfalls persist over the northern parts of the Eastern Cape and around the Drakensberg Mountains. Rain is forecast once again across the south and the east coast. It's going to stay dry for the rest of the country. However, cold afternoon temperatures are forecast over the central and western areas. Now, because of the cold fronts passing through our shows, the South African Weather Service has issued a warning for significant snowfalls over the interior of the Eastern Cape. We also have a warning in place for gale force winds along much of the east coast. A warning has also been issued for high seas extending from the Lambert's Bay area into the Kosi Bay. Now here's what KwaZulu-Natal is going to look like. It's going to stay cloudy and wet with the cool to cold temperatures over the interior, a bit warmer over the coastal areas with Durban peaking at around 21 degrees. Cloudy and wet weather is also forecast over much of the Eastern Cape with snowfalls over the northern areas. It's going to be pretty chilly over the central parts with Adelaide and Somerset East managing highs of just around 7 degrees. Cloudy, wet and cold weather is also forecast for the southern Cape areas, but things get a bit better as we go towards the southwest coastline. Lighter rain is forecast here and a mild 17 for the high in Cape Town. Sunny skies return to Springbok, but it's going to stay chilly in the afternoon here. Overnight temperatures drop to below freezing over the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, reaching the lower teens in the afternoon. Similar temperatures are forecast for the Free State with just a bit of cloud expected overhead. It's going to stay sunny across the northwest, but the cold weather also reaches these parts of the country. Zeerust and Rustenburg just making it to 15 degrees. Warmer as we go towards Limpopo, Polokwane 17, even warmer in the low-veld areas. Musina and Palabora should peak at around 27. We are expecting mostly fine weather across Mpumalanga. Again, it's going to be chilly here. The sun will also be shining for you in Gauteng, but it's going to be cold in the morning, freezing for Johannesburg and Soweto, peaking at 11 in the afternoon. A high of 14 is forecast for Pretoria. Strong winds are expected across much of the country and especially along the east coast, where the winds could gust up to 60 kilometers per hour around East London. Here's looking ahead to your Saturday. Sunny skies return to the rest of the country. Light rain is forecast along the east coast, and things get even better on Sunday.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com